In this video, we're going to show you how to identify when your dishwasher needs to be descaled, how to plan this activity for minimum disruption to your kitchen, what equipment and cleaning products you will need to complete the descale, and then we will walk you through all of the steps you need to take to complete the descaling of your dishwasher. How to identify when your dishwasher needs to be descaled. When your dishwasher starts to show the visible buildup of limescale, it is time to descale your dishwasher. The limescale buildup will be visible at corners and joints, on the surfaces inside the dishwasher, and on the pipework. How to plan this activity for minimum disruption to your kitchen. We understand that your residents are your priority, and it is essential that you are able to serve food at the designated times. This is why it is important to plan the descaling of your dishwasher well in advance. Ideally, you will start the cleaning process once all of the food service for the day has been completed. This will help you avoid the buildup of dishes in the kitchen while the cleaning process is taking place. This process of descaling your dishwasher will take approximately 35 minutes to complete. The equipment and cleaning products that you will need: face masks, rubber gloves, spray bottle, Cristo Descale Plus, measuring jug, funnel, scourer, safety goggles. Descaling your dishwasher, the process. Once you've put on all of the appropriate PPE, the first step is to prepare the cleaning solution. Pour 2 liters of the descaling solution into a jug, and then pour into the dishwasher below the bottom spinner. This will work its way into the main wash tank and start to remove limescale buildup on the heating elements. Then pour the descaling solution into a clean, empty Cristo Descale Plus trigger spray bottle before applying to all of the visible surfaces of the dishwasher. Limescale buildup will appear more visible at specific areas, but the descaling solution should be applied to all visible surfaces. This will start to break down the individual layers of limescale that have built up over time. When the descaling solution has been applied, rub the surfaces with a scourer to lift off the limescale that has been dissolved by the descaling solution. This process should be repeated every 5 minutes, and we would recommend you do this 7 times when there is a significant buildup of limescale on your dishwasher. Once this process has been completed, you should then put the dishwasher through 6 cycles to ensure all the descaling solution has been flushed through the internal pipework and washed off the top and bottom spinners. The wash tank should then be emptied and rinsed out so it is once again ready for use. Completing this process as outlined in this video will ensure that your dishwasher performs as required and will also prolong the life of the dishwasher. Any remaining Descale Plus solution remaining in the trigger spray bottle should be emptied back into the 5-litre Cristo Descale Plus container using the funnel provided and rinsed out with clean water.